In 1831, the Cherokee Nation was fighting to retain their homelands in the state of Georgia. Georgia had passed several acts to add Cherokee land to the state, even though the boundaries of the Cherokee Nation had been clearly defined and guaranteed by treaty. If these acts were carried out, not only would Georgia gain a significant area to open to settlement, but Cherokee citizens there would be subject to the state's laws instead of their own. Represented by former U.S. Attorney General William Wirt and under the leadership of Principal Chief John Ross, the Cherokee Nation argued their case before the Supreme Court in the historic Cherokee Nation versus Georgia. While the Supreme Court found that the Cherokees did indeed still have an unquestionable right to the lands they occupy, on March 5, 1831, it decided that the Cherokee Nation did not qualify as either a state or a foreign state, and therefore could not bring suit against the state of Georgia. Instead, Chief Justice John Marshall likened the Cherokees' relationship to the United States as one of a ward to his guardian, and coined the phrase domestic dependent nation, a term that is still used today.